This 2025 Winnebago Ekko Sprinter 23B is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features a juniper, weathered teak interior, sleeps 4, LP detector, carbon monoxide detector, oven, microwave, awning, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, stovetop burner, external shower, air conditioning, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Ekko Sprinter 23B is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.